Imagine this. You walk into a room and suddenly every eye is on you. Heads turn, people pause, you haven't even said a word. Yet your presence speaks louder than anything. Why? Because people respond to energy. Confidence is visible in your posture, your eyes, the way you move. If you walk with purpose, stand tall and look certain, people feel it. That energy becomes magnetic. You don't need to demand attention, you naturally attract it. Your voice, your body language, even how you wait in silence, it all sends a message. Are you in control of that message, or are you letting the world decide who you are? Because the more confidence you project, the more powerful your presence becomes. Magnetism isn't about looks, it's about energy. So ask yourself, does your presence actually send this message to the room? When you walk in, do people notice, or are you still invisible?